if we're cutting out any of the ramp time to get there and those type of things, the things that I would really like to see automated would be, I mean, the deployments, getting that so it's hands off from a development standpoint. And,
Uh-huh.
in that point, there's testing, making sure the test pass before you move on to the next one. And really, we're a long ways there already.
Uh-huh.
It would be the alerting, the alarms, how we handle things. And right now, I think there is very good alerting in place, being able to figure out what's an anomaly, what needs to be looked at, finding patterns of problems that are out there, and alerting somebody that this problem needs to be dealt with. That part, I think, has come a long way, but I would like to see it go a little bit further. Those are the tasks that really where it's got to now, the problem is already halfway solved when you get in, and there's a little bit of a trust issue on going back and double checking what is being done. But if that was fully automated, that would be absolutely fantastic. The other one that I would really like to see is ticket intake prioritization in moving, right? There's typically companies have a triage bucket or something that comes in where tickets come in from a customer. You're not really sure where it belongs within the company, what the priority is. Does it need to be fixed in 1 day, 7 days, 30 days? And if we could figure out a way to automate that and take that manual process out, that program management, that would be a fantastic way to do that. So I think that's my fully automated bucket, was really deployments, alerting, and tickets and dealing with tickets. The assisted bucket, I like engineers, code writing in that bucket. Just going through your day-to-day, writing features, figuring stuff out. And again, there's a lot of organizations that are kind of in this bucket now. Copilot is out there, Claude. There's a bunch of different ways that you can do this where it's really replaced the Stack Overflows in that aspect. From, you can ask a question, you can get an answer back. Here's the code that you should be using. And that to me is extremely useful. It's a little bit of a double-edged sword on that standpoint, though. No worse than it was before, right? Because you end up with the developers that ask the question, copy the code out, and dump it directly into the code base without understanding what it does or checking what it does. And I think long-term that creates problems, but it's just a reality for now. In fully manual tasks where we don't have any help, honestly, I'm not sure I really have anything right now in that bucket. Leadership, maybe. Just product management is going to be, it would be great to see it in there, but when you think about like creating a product, what does customers want? Like, it'll get there, but I think right now that is a manual task. And then I'm not sure if you could automate culture, right? And having fun and like bringing the type of environment that you want to work in. I think that one will continue to be a manual operation.